Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive touring 7-passenger. You notice that this vehicle does come fully equipped with LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. You'll have remote start as well as keyless entry. You will have the memory settings for the 10-way power seat, which includes lumbar support. You will have an Econ mode for fuel-efficient driving. The vehicle comes equipped with parking sensors. You also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which will include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, the road departure mitigation, and forward collision braking system. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, cycle through your media sources, and control the volume. You'll also have paddle shifters on your steering wheel. You'll have built-in Garmin navigation. You'll have a Blu-ray media player, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, dual climate control, heated seats. You'll have a USB and power port up here. Selectable drive modes, which will include normal, snow, mud, and sand. You'll also have the button for the auto engine idle stop. Here are the wireless headsets for the rear entertainment system. Additional USB and power port. Sunroof. Place to store your sunglasses with the built-in mirror for the back seat. And on your rear view mirror, you will have the home link buttons for your garage door opener. You'll have the bucket seats, which are heated. You'll also have that rear climate controls, USB ports, a power port, and HDMI input for the rear entertainment system. Easy access in the third row can be granted by just the push of a button. You will have a button to open the fuel door, which is a capless fuel filler. You'll also have a power tailgate. There's a backup camera with 3 different views. You can easily fold down the rear seats. And then pull them back up. It's the same process in reverse. You'll have the all-weather cargo tray, and under here, additional storage. You'll have the button that you can use to push to close. The touring trim also features a kick access tailgate. This is the 2019 all-wheel drive touring Pilot 7-passenger here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.